Looking for a profitable restaurant in a booming North Texas location? This quick service restaurant in the North Dallas area is making $55,000 per month, and it's ready for new ownership. Turnkey, fully equipped, recently renovated, and cash flowing from day one. Let's take a closer look.
Established in 2010, this quick-service Thai restaurant sits in a high-traffic shopping center surrounded by retail stores and businesses. The kitchen is fully equipped to run a busy restaurant, and the owner is currently undergoing a full renovation of the dining area to create a modern ambience for its guests. This turnkey operation comes with an experienced staff in place, making it an ideal opportunity for a new owner to step in and take over seamlessly. Customers love the diverse menu, including bubble tea, sushi rolls, classic Thai dishes, and a variety of appetizers, all within a quick-service dining environment.
Generating $55,000 per month in revenue and $13,000 per month in owner earnings. This is your chance to take over a proven concept with instant cash flow. This all-inclusive opportunity is priced just below $220,000, which includes the fully equipped kitchen, new renovations, and a healthy cash flow. The current owner is willing to provide support to ensure a smooth transition. Serious buyers, contact Ray Rani at A&A Brokers for more details on this incredible opportunity.